Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a short one, very straightforward video showing you how I made these beaded rings. This is a very simple tutorial. This is just an idea. You can use any charms or beads you already have. So if you're interested, keep on watching. These are the materials you're going to need: scissors, glue, and of course your clear string. I'm going to be using also beads, 4mm beads, and I'll be showing you next. These are the 4mm beads. They are silver, and I'm also going to be using gold beads. I'm going to be working on the silver ring first. I'm going to use a red heart bead for the silver ring and a letter M bead for the gold ring. I forgot to mention that all the materials that I show I got from Amazon. These are stainless steel 4mm beads, and the gold ones I'll be working on later on are a non-tarnish 4mm gold plated beads. I'll be making the rings a size 7, and I'll just be eyeballing the size as I go. Now I just make a double knot and I seal it with the hypo cement glue. This is how the silver ring turned out. This is just an idea. You can add your own beads, charms to it, make it your own style. It's very easy to make and very trendy. Now let's move on to the gold ring for more ideas. For this next ring, I'm using these 4mm gold plated non-tarnished beads that I got on Amazon with the letter M for my initial. So I'm going to do the same thing I did for the first ring. It's the same process, nothing changes. And there it is. This is how these two beaded rings turned out. Very easy to make with 4mm beads. Any beads that you have work, as long as they're small beads. And of course your charms, the charm you want to put in the center. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be reading them all. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!